front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't see it, select those three dots instead, hit OK, and access it from here. When you're ready, use this switcher at the top to activate it. Then to use it, you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top, or click on Clipboard and paste it from here. To pin one of your sentences, use this pen icon at the top right corner. Select the one that you wish to pin and use pin icon at the top. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of your sentences, use the same pen. Pick the ones that you wish to delete and use this pin at the top. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!